Hansi!
Oh, hey guys, great that you're here. Welcome.
How are you?
Oh, I feel amazing. I just dreamed about the next journey I do.
Where do you go?
You know, actually it doesn't matter. Most important is to do the first step.
Hey, what is inspiring you?
I dream about the ability of humanity to stick together and to shape a good life.
What is the situation that you want to resolve?
I call it a good life for all. Means everybody is free to do what is good for himself.
What is your everyday journey? How it start?
I start my days with music because music is so important to fill the heart.
Explain me a little more about what you would like to change in humans.
I think most important nowadays is to learn how to quiet the mind, to listen more to the heart.
And about that is how does your family make this big influence on you?
Yeah, they gave me always the possibility to grow myself, and I'm really grateful for that.
And I realized that you are in Austria. What do you like about Austria?
No, Austria is an amazing country because we have nature all over. Big mountains, wide seas, beautiful lakes and rivers, amazing.
And tell me, what is the Austrian person that makes a big influence on you?
Yeah, I really like the history of Arnold Schwarzenegger going to US, growing himself, and changed so much, and now really changing the world. So as I am going out into the world to change society.
What is the quote that inspiring you?
Actually, there are many, but I give myself the quote, "Life is beautiful."
Tell me something personal about you that no one knows.
You know, in former times I have been a Boy Scout, adventuring the nature.
Is there when you got the appreciation from nature?
There and through my parents, my family, and also later. I think hiking always brings me down, quiet my mind.
Many people who go to the hiking parts in Austria are foreigners. Do you speak different languages?
Un español poquito.
And what you would like to add in your life that will make you better human?
Yeah, right now it's really an important journey for myself to quiet my mind, to listen better to my heart. And I would like to invite you to do as well. But guys, now it's time for changing the world again. So I would really love to invite you to go to our platform CoCreate.network and join the world's largest co-creation partnership. See you.